Welcome to our exploration of how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing renewable energy, creating a powerful partnership for a greener future. AI predicts weather patterns with high accuracy, optimizing solar and wind energy production for a stable and efficient power supply. AI manages energy loads in real time, ensuring optimal distribution and reducing waste, making our power grids smarter and more reliable. With AI, we can predict when renewable energy equipment needs maintenance, preventing breakdowns and saving costs. AI optimizes energy storage, predicting demand and supply to ensure renewable energy is available even when production is low. AI integrates various distributed energy resources like rooftop solar panels into the grid, creating a more resilient energy system. By optimizing energy systems, AI helps significantly reduce the carbon footprint, driving us towards global sustainability goals. AI analyzes energy market data in real time, enabling cost-effective and efficient use of renewable energy. AI accelerates research and development in renewable energy technologies, paving the way for new innovations and a sustainable future. AI and renewable energy together are powering a brighter, greener future. Join us in embracing this powerful partnership for a sustainable world. Imagine a world where our energy needs are met without compromising the health of our planet. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that is unfolding right before our eyes. Artificial intelligence, with its incredible ability to analyze vast amounts of data and optimize processes, is revolutionizing the way we harness and utilize renewable energy sources. From solar panels that adjust their angles to capture the maximum amount of sunlight, to wind turbines that predict and adapt to changing weather patterns, AI is making renewable energy more efficient and reliable than ever before. This synergy between AI and renewable energy is not just about technology, it's about creating a sustainable future for generations to come. Consider the impact on our daily lives. With AI-driven smart grids, energy distribution becomes more efficient, reducing waste and lowering costs. Homes and businesses can rely on a steady supply of clean energy, reducing their carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier environment. Moreover, this partnership is driving innovation in energy storage solutions, ensuring that we can store excess energy generated during peak times and use it when needed. This means a more stable and resilient energy system, capable of meeting the demands of a growing population without depleting our natural resources. The potential is limitless. By embracing AI and renewable energy, we are taking a significant step towards a world where clean, sustainable energy is accessible to all. It's a future where technology and nature work hand in hand, creating a harmonious balance that benefits everyone. Join us in this exciting journey. Together we can build a brighter, greener future powered by the incredible synergy of AI and renewable energy. Let's embrace this powerful partnership and make a lasting impact on our world.